What is uric acid? And what does uric acid do? Uric acid is a chemical compound found in our body. It is called uric acid because it is excreted with urine and is produced when protein compounds are broken down in the body. When you eat large quantities of protein foods, whether animal or vegetable, uric acid rises, which results in some health problems. If you have a copy of your uric acid lab test, check it out. Because the normal range for uric acid in males ranges between 3.4 to 7 mg/dl, and in females, it ranges between 2.5 to 6 mg/dl. If it is higher than these ranges, it means that you have excessive uric acid in your bloodstream due to the high intake of protein foods every day. The most common health problem of high uric acid is gout. A gout is a painful form of arthritis that results from high levels of uric acid in the bloodstream. It causes sudden and severe pain in your joints. Gout was previously known as the disease of kings because the rich and kings usually eat large quantities of meat, which will increase the protein intake and so the uric acid levels, which can lead to painful attacks of gout. These attacks occur when the body cannot get rid of the excessive uric acid from the bloodstream, so it accumulates instead as painful crystals around the joint and causes severe pain. This pain occurs suddenly, especially at night, and can last for 3 to 10 days. And now the question is, what type of food do I have to avoid to prevent gout? We know now that the worst food that can increase uric acid in your bloodstream is a high-protein food. Here are the worst 5 foods you have to avoid eating in excessive amounts to prevent gout. 1. Meat. Meat is very high in protein, and eating large amounts, especially red meat, may increase the levels of the uric acid in your bloodstream and so in your joints and causes sudden pain. 2. Chicken. Chicken is also very rich in protein, especially chicken breast. It is beneficial to avoid excessive amounts of it to avoid gout. 3. All types of fish and seafood, including scallops and shrimp, as they are also high in protein. 4. Sugary drinks. Fruit juice and soft drinks are not a good idea if you have gout. Any added sugar, including syrup of fruit, should not be excessive. Sugary drinks and foods contain fructose, and when your body breaks down this fructose, uric acid is produced, and then accumulates as painful crystals in the joints, causing gout. 5. Yeast. It is good to avoid common yeast extracts foods if you suffer from gout, such as dairy products, canned meat, and fish. Finally, you have to know that this doesn't mean that you are not allowed to eat all of these types of food that were previously mentioned, but we are talking only about eating excessive amounts of protein-rich food to avoid having high levels of uric acid in your joints, which causes the sudden and severe pain of gout disease. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again.